Hey everyone, we have got some surprising news today about Yagmur Yuksel and Gulum Baktas. The two stars were recently spotted at the same salon. Let's find out more about this unexpected encounter. Yagmur Yuksel and Gulum Baktas, both beloved figures in the entertainment world, were catched by fans at a high-end beauty salon. While it's unclear if the meeting was planned or coincidental, the interaction has become a hot topic on social media. According to witnesses, the two exchanged polite greetings and seemed to be in good spirits. Yagmur was reportedly there for a hair treatment, while Gulum was seen consulting with a stylish about a new look. Fans are speculating about what this meeting might mean, with some wondering if they are working on a project together. Although no official statements have been made, the sightning has fueled excitement among their supporters. Many are hoping this encounter could lead to a collaboration or a fun social media moment. What a delightful surprise to see Yagmur and Gulum together. We will keep you updated if there's more to see this story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest celebrity buzz. See you next time.